Here is a multi-billion-dollar psychological experiment that nobody warns you about. Buy now, pay later apps were engineered by Silicon Valley UX designers to bypass your brain's financial pain receptors. When you hand over a $100 bill, your brain registers loss. But when Klarna splits that same $100 into 4 payments of $25, your dopamine system registers a bargain. You think you spent $25 today, but math does not care about your feelings. You just mortgaged your future paycheck for something you could not afford in the present. Modern checkout buttons are designed with zero friction. One click, no credit check, 0% interest on paper. But the 0% interest is the cheese in the mousetrap. The moment you miss a single payment, high penalty fees and default interest rates trigger, silently destroying your credit score before you even apply for your first real apartment. The buy now, pay later model relies on your short-term memory failing you. Across 20 different small micro-deductions, your checking account is bled dry before your paycheck even lands. Stop financing a lifestyle to impress strangers on the internet. If you cannot afford to buy it twice in cash today, you cannot afford it. Uninstall the installment apps, open a high-yield savings account, and keep your hard-earned money in your own pocket. Subscribe to Financial's Wisdom